In this video, I'm going to go over the different commercial property types. Keep in mind that each one of these has different types of risk that are involved in it. And this is where your experience within having other commercial properties is really critical. First and foremost is retail. Retail can be a mall, retail can be a strip mall that maybe has a dry cleaner, a food restaurant, a anchor tenant with like a Rite Aid or something like that. Next is office. Office can be as simple as a one unit, one building office building to a large complex that houses multiples, has several floors and multiple businesses within it. Next is industrial. Industrial is usually your metal buildings that are more of manufacturing types of businesses are in. These tend to be having land that are attached to it, but it's usually a metal building or some sort of shop. You can also have commercial condos, which are a part of that, which is pretty much where there's multiple tenants within one large metal building. Land. Land is one of the most highest risk to a bank that you can buy, because if you ever couldn't make a payment, you're probably not going to make the payment on the land. But on the flip side, I've always heard too, well, God's not going to make any more land. I understand. Next, hospitality. Hospitality are your hotels, your motels, any of those types of staying type of facilities. Specialty. There's lots of type of specialty facilities out there. The most common you can think about is a bowling alley. What else can you do with a bowling alley except for run a bowling alley? And last but not least, which probably has the simplest and minimum amount of risk, is multifamily. Everyone needs a place to stay, right? And so that way you're collecting rents on all of the tenants that are within your property.